What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys exactly how devs like me are making thousands of dollars from creating meme coins, and I've personally made millions of dollars from doing this, and I'm going to break it down step by step. So if you've ever wanted to cash in on this wave, you do not want to miss this video. Check this phantom wallet out. $4.9 million all built from launching meme coins. Not by luck, not by hype, just by using a repeatable strategy. Stay here, I'll show you exactly how it works. Now, back in the day, I used to trade meme coins every single day because I thought it was my way out to becoming rich. But every single time I jumped into a new meme coin, I got completely dumped on, rugged, and my whole balance got drained. Now, the people winning in meme coins are not traders. They're actually the ones launching them. Because when you dev your own coin and you launch your own coins, you control everything, so the supply, the timing, and the entire hype. And also, bro, by creating your own coins, you have completely nothing to lose because all you're doing is creating, waiting, and dumping. And right now, bro, Bitcoin is at an all-time high and Solana is currently pumping. It's at $246. It's almost at all-time highs. So the volume in the markets are extremely good, which means it's the best moment to start deving coins. That's exactly why you have to be watching this video right now. Now, before we get started, I just want to be 100% clear that this video is meant for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and nothing here is financial advice. So only understand the strategy but do not use it. Cap! Now, most people, when they want to dev a meme coin, they go to Pump.Fun because it's the most popular platform and they think it's the best. But the truth is, Pump.Fun is oversaturated. Thousands of coins are flooding the site daily. As you guys can see, there's a shit ton of coins being launched, and most are getting buried before they can even move or be shown to new people. And on top of that, you don't even control your own liquidity on Pump.Fun. So for example, if 50 people buy your coin and you're up $1,500, you cannot even remove that money because it's Pump.Fun that controls it. And also, to even add more to that, okay, you have to reach a $90,000 market cap for your coin to bond and migrate onto Radium. And that's exactly why I switched to create token.Io now, because here it's different. Your token launches straight to Radium and skips the whole bonding curve bullshit. It gets immediately migrated and is live for buyers immediately. That means more visibility, more volume, and you have more control on the liquidity. You control your own coin from start to finish. That's exactly why thousands of people use this website. Now, obviously, on create token.Io, you've got two clean methods to make a meme coin. The first method is to build it from scratch. So go on X or any social media platform. I prefer X because here's where, you know, all the narratives happen and gets fucking created. And look for something that could go viral for a meme coin. Now, like this guy, he's blocking her to get out the elevator. Oh, what the fuck? That could be good for a meme coin. Also, Elon Musk reposted some type of girl. That could be good too. You know, just anything popping, right, will work. If it doesn't work, if you only make $100, you can just make another coin. It's simple as that. Anyways, come back to the website. Give your token a name, a symbol, and logo, and then just hit next and then create. And after a couple steps, you are live. But the second method, that's my favorite one because it's the most profitable money-wise. The copy trending coins tab. Now, all of these coins right here are already trending on Pump.Fun. All you have to do is copy them here and they launch directly onto Radium. And since they already have traffic and attention in these coins, you will get instant buyers and much bigger profits from the start. It's fucking insane. I would highly recommend to copy coins because all of these narratives are all proven to go viral. But anyways, let's quit wasting time. I'm about to dev a coin right now and show you guys that anybody can make some money. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. If I just disconnected and I reconnected real quick, that's exactly how you do it. Then click on refresh list to have all the new fresh coins in front of you, and I'm gonna copy the weekday coin. It has it last by 6 seconds ago and a $40,000 market cap, and it looks decent. So I'm gonna create coin. Hold up. And then just ignore the block from Phantom, it's completely normal, and click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Now the coin should be created in a couple of seconds, and then boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. But before that, if I go on SoScan, you guys will see that it's on the blockchain, it's officially live on the Solana blockchain, and the website is legit. Anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part's easy. We're just adding liquidity so buyers can get in their coin and sellers can cash out instantly on Radium through your liquidity pool. This page is what Pump.Fun doesn't offer to you: the ability to create your own liquidity pool in your possession. Now there's two simple steps. First is the amount token A. Just tap 90% right here. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. Right under is for the amount token B. This is your first buy into your own coin. You are not losing money here. It's just locked into the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you pull out the liquidity later, that Solana right here, which is your first buy, will come right back to you in your dev wallet. Now I'm going to put 0.35 Solana, which is a bit above the minimum, just to be safe. Then click on create pool, and then click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the weekday coin is now minted. It's live on the blockchain. The pool ID is here, the coins are here, and the PNL is right here. And if you click on refresh for a second time, now I'm up $233 on this fucking coin. People are currently buying in. Now if you want to see the price action, click on view on photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for a better view of the coin. And guys, as you can see, the coin is not live. It's shot up. We're up a couple $100. Now it's down. The market cap is at $1,900. Come on, it has to go fucking higher. We need a size in fucking big buy. Come on, $40. That's not bad. We need more money, bro. And please, as a meme coin dev, do not be emotional. You have to remember that you spent no money to dev this coin. So all this money coming in, it's not money lost, And that's the beauty of it, okay? If you only make a couple $100, you can just, dump it and move on to the next coin until you go viral. And once you hit that one juicy coin that goes extremely viral, now you can chill, go on a vacation, do whatever the fuck you want. Now, bro, now it's dumping. Do not worry about it, because more and more people are going to start seeing the coin. It is going to start going up and up and up, because that's how Radium works, okay? As you guys can see, it is bottoming out. Now it's going to retrace to the upside. Boom! $80 right in my pockets. Come on. Come on! More people has to buy in, bro. $12. That's not bad. That makes up for the sell before. Come on, now we need one. Oh my god. Fuck. I know I'm being emotional, but I like my money. I like to see the chart go up. Yes! $65, $40. That's $100 right there. Come on, pump. I believe it. Yes. Okay, bro. Someone has to buy in with a lot of money. Come on, bro. Oh my god. Come on. Just one. Boom. One green candle. I just want one big green candle, bro. Come on. Oh my god. Okay, $32. That's not bad. Come on, $25. That's not bad too. Not too shabby, That's not too bad. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes. I'm gonna be right back when the coin is up. Oh my god! What the fuck? It's shooting up, bro. What? Should I dump it? Okay guys, I am back. It looks like we're at the $3,100 market cap and it's kinda dead, okay? We could say this, it's dead, but we are up a hefty amount still. Now, if you want to make some money, come back to createtokens.io and then click on the refresh button right here. And now, as you guys can see, I am up $1,900 in PNL with a $3,400 market cap. It looks like you cannot budge this high right here. Anyways, I'm going to make some money, so click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin. Oh my god. And now, as you guys can see, I'm going to receive this amount. Click on confirm. And BOOM! That's exactly how you launch a coin, dev it, and make a shit ton of money. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom, 7.5 so straight inside my wallet, all legit, it's all fucking there.